The greatest trick the devil ever pulled was convincing the world he doesn't exist. Please allow me to introduce myself. I'm a man of wealth and taste. I've been around a long, long years, full many a man's soul and faith. I was around when Jesus Christ had his moment of doubt and pain. Made damn sure Pilate washed his hands and sealed his fate. Nice to meet you. Hope you guess my name. But what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. Oh yeah. I stuck around St. Petersburg when I saw it was time for a change. Killed the Tsar and his ministers, Anastasia screamed in vain. I rode a tank, held a general's rank when the blitzkrieg raged and the body stank. Nice to meet you, hope you guess my name. But what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. Oh yeah. I watched with glee while your kings and queens fought for 10 decades for the gods they made. I shouted out who killed the Kennedys when after all it was you and me. Let me please introduce myself. I'm a man of wealth and taste. I lay traps for troubadours and get killed for the H Bombay. Oh yeah, get down. Nice to meet you, hope you guess my name. But what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. Oh yeah. Cause every cop's a criminal and all the sinners saints. As heads as tails, just call me Lucifer, 'cause I'm in need of some